Page 7, number 9. Now I have a new problem. 9 uses 2 lines. Just like if you're reading a sentence, when you get to the end, go back to the left and start on the next line. Same thing here with number 9. So, first thing, count the rhythm. 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. The most common mistakes would not be saying 3, 4 in your head for the half rests. Make sure for the rest, you say the numbers in your head. Don't guess at them. This is math. Math has to be have numbers. Now do it again, but this time say the names of the notes. Remember, it starts with B, that is A, that is G. Make sure your left hand is on top. On Monday, some of you were forgetting to put your left hand on top. You're putting your right hand, left hand on top. Say the note names. Number 9, 2, ready, go. B, B, A, G. B, B, A, G. G, 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 A, B, G, A, G. Now, the place you're probably having the most trouble would be on the second line of number 9. In the third measure, you go from a G or a B to a G. You haven't had a thing where you've had to move 2 fingers like that. That could be what's causing you the trouble. Just make sure you go from B to G and you get the holes covered. Okay? And at any point, if you need to rewind it, go back over it again until you can easily do it. Now let's play number 9. 1, 2, ready, go. That's the end. Rewind it and play it over and over again until it's easy for you to play.